Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Determine what amount of money you'd like to gift. If you need extra flowers, you can create more from paper and intermix them with the money. A typical money lay could, for example, consist of $31 bills and 30 paper flowers, $51 bills or even $25 bills and 20 flowers. The variety and amount is up to you.
Let's help you make your mark.
Fold your accordion in half. Using a tiny piece of tape, tape the ends together at the fold. Open the other side of the folded bill and tape the two end bands around the center with ribbon inside the fold. Once you have them all folded and taped, you can string them onto your ribbon.
Take our lead.
Giving the gift of a graduation lei. One way to present a graduate with a graduation lei is to wait until the graduate is in the school's robes and then to place the lei over his or her head to add a loving gift to the outfit. Some rules state that the lei must be presented after the graduation ceremony is over.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.